What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, which I know most of you are, which is really surprising, about 65% of you are new and are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Cathie Wood and Bitcoin. So recently, Cathie Wood spoke out on CNBC's Closing Bell. She spoke about Bitcoin, where she sees cryptocurrencies going in the future, how she sees them in terms of investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies versus investing in gold or in other assets, how she sees them stacking up against one another. And Cathie Wood came out and said that she sees Bitcoin joining stocks and bonds as part of the classic balanced portfolio. She explained how she thinks that right now that Bitcoin is becoming a better accepted new asset class. She says that we do think it'll behave actually, I would say more like the fixed income markets, believe it or not. In the interview, she explains how right now Bitcoin isn't really correlated to many other asset classes. It's pretty uncorrelated actually, but the closest thing it's tied to is the real estate market. So even though people call it digital gold, it doesn't act like gold in terms of investing. It doesn't act like stocks in terms of investing. She said the closest thing it is correlated with is real estate prices, which is surprising. So she explained, in the long term, if you're looking at investing in Bitcoin, bonds, real estate, stocks, how she sees that being divided up in the future. She said that right now, if you think that bonds right now, it's like a 60-40 balanced portfolio. That's how people would invest 60%, let's say, in stocks, 40% in bonds. They think that we've already been through a 40-year bull market in the bonds, and they would not be surprised to see the new asset, the new balanced portfolio, look like 60% in stocks and equity, 20% in bonds, and 20% in cryptocurrencies, whether that be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or just cryptocurrencies in general. Recently, Ark Invest has come out. They've spoken a lot about Bitcoin. Cathie Wood has said that she thinks Bitcoin could reach $500,000 per coin if institutions allocate single digits of their balance sheet. So if large institutions have billions of dollars on their balance sheet to invest, if they put 3-4% of that into Bitcoin, she sees it easily going to $500,000 per coin. This is because right now Bitcoin, it always is going to have a fixed number, a limited number of Bitcoin that can be mined. There's 21 million Bitcoin that will ever be in existence, ever be mined, and we already have about 19.5 million Bitcoin mined. A lot of them will never be recovered also because people have lost their passwords. So because of that, the more money that goes into Bitcoin, the higher it's going to go up because of that fixed cost, the fixed number of Bitcoin that'll ever be in existence. And as you're getting a lot of money, billions of dollars pouring into it, that's what's really going to cause Bitcoin to continue to rise dramatically. And I thought this was pretty interesting because she says that there's going to be a balanced portfolio in the future is more going to look like 60% stocks, 20% bonds, 20% cryptocurrency, and how it's not correlated to gold at all, even though people call it the digital gold. It's not correlated to investments and it's not correlated to stock prices, but it's more correlated to real estate prices and the real estate market. She says it's probably just a coincidence, but that is what is the closest correlated to. So Ark Invest has been buying GBTC for a while now, which is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which mimics the price of Bitcoin. They don't buy Bitcoin directly because of regulatory requirements, but I think Bitcoin has a lot of potential, going to continue to rise over the next couple years. We're likely going to see these major fluctuations. We could easily see Bitcoin drop back down to $30,000 per coin. Long term, though, it's still very bullish on it. I think it has a lot of potential. Cathie Wood, Ark Invest, they think it could easily reach $500,000 per coin. Chamath thinks it's a great investment, and that is what's going on with Bitcoin and the new balanced portfolio that Ark Invest sees developing over the next couple of years. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for short content that is sync and and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.